Hi everyone, this is Gabrielle Helene with Just My Input. Today we have a really interesting video. I've taken the pictures from my daughter Melinda. She grows all kinds of different gardens, and this here is one from a tomato that she had that was aging. She placed it in the sun and it started to germinate. The seeds inside, as they get older, they start to germinate right from the tomato. So you're able to see several little stems coming out of that one tomato. Eventually you go ahead and just cut it into 4 quarters and you're going to see all the different seeds inside that are beginning to germinate. So what you do after you've cut these tomatoes, you place them where the skin is on the soil, just like that, and then you cover it up. And because there are several seeds on here, just 1/4 of a tomato is going to give you many plants. So get your tools ready if you're into gardening. This here is from her garden bed. She has each of these plants were 1/4 of a tomato that started to germinate. They have at least 5 different stems coming out of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.